Hello, guys. I hope you are all safe at home and having a lot of fun working from home. And when I say working from home, this time it's really working hard. So, finishing up your office jobs, to mopping, to sweeping, to cooking, and the list is endless. But I have also added one very interesting thing in this whole routine, which is reading. I finished The Greatness Guide by Robin Sharma today, and I wanted to share five learnings from this book which really touched my heart. And I also took almost 5 days to finish it. And I've also made a little note here which I'm going to transfer in my diary. So let's start. First one that I really liked was being a leader isn't always about being light, but it's about being right. So when you are in that position of making decisions of rightfulness, etc., you will also have critics. So it's up to you whether you want to please those critics or you want to be right and take the right decisions, right? Great. So the second one that I really liked is listen twice as much as you speak. So God has given us two ears, but one tongue for a reason. But we end up speaking more than listening. So listening more really helps us connect with the other person very easily. So sometimes it also happens to me that, when I'm listening, I'm also thinking in my mind at the same time as to what will be my response to this person, which is so wrong. At that moment, we just need to pause and listen, completely listen. With awareness, this will come, right? So listen as twice as much as you speak. Third one is very beautiful, which says, get back to doing things that you really loved doing once upon a time and connect with yourself. Which means we all have hobbies, right? Some of us love cooking, some of us love traveling, some of us love watching movies. And at one particular time in our life, we put a pause to those things because some other priorities take over, right? So for most of us, it is our work life which has become so hectic. But then Robin Sharma really says in this book that it's very important to connect to yourself and do those things, because when it makes you happy, you will not have that much of a stress and you will be very easily able to do your other things which are important, right? Uh, all right. So the fourth one that I have here is every time you say yes to something that is not important, you end up saying no to something that is very important. Which means, suppose you have a person who just wants to come over and gossip with you, say bad things about others, and goes away. And after this person leaves, you feel really heavy, you feel really irritated, and there is a lot of negativity in you. You have just wasted a lot of your time, your productive time. So it's all about setting priorities, and it is okay to say no at times. So you can't be everywhere every time. You can't make everybody happy. Yes, so you need to set your priorities and decide. And the last one is very, very profound, which says, at the end, a billionaire and a sweeper may get buried together, which means a billionaire may get buried next to a sweeper. So we all end up in dust. So do not forget to have fun. Connect with your families, connect with your friends, have fun together. So have a part of your life dedicated to people who you really love. Okay, and I really believe that we have become really busy. We kind of live a machine life. We really have everything set, so 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. will be my office hours. I will take 2 hours in traveling. By the time I reach home, I'm really tired. I do some Netflix and I sleep, and the same routine goes on. And in that thing, my family and my friends are ignored, right? So have time for fun, have time to connect to people you really love. And that's it. Keep having fun. So tomorrow I'm going to decide which is going to be my next book, and I will share it with you. Okay then. Thank you so much. Take care.